been winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me. I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child.
Ay mapet. Sabi nila ay mag-video daw. Mag-lead daw ako ng message. Short message. Pero ayaw ko nga. Tagalog naman already. Hahaba-habaan ko na. Anyway, akalain mo 50 years old ka na pala. Parang kahapon laang. Dahil nagkasama tayo ng ilang taon sa Rotonda, kaya alam na alam ko ang iyong galawin. Yang iyong pag-uot-ut sa iyong hinlalaki ay iyon ang kinalakhan. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit gustong-gusto mong mag-ut-ut niyan. Ano kang lasa niyan? Sana naman ay natikman ko rin at masarap nga pala yan. Pero anyway, yan ay para bagang magnet sa iyo. Ayaw na ayaw mo iyang alisin sa iyong bibig. Pero kalaunan, nung ako'y makaalis na ng Rotonda at nakapunta na nga sa Amerika, tinanong ko sa Ate Daa kung ganyan ka pa rin. Pero sabi niya, finally, ay nasugpo na rin daw ang iyong pag-uot-ot. At ngayon ay, pero hindi ko matandaan kung anong paraan ang ginawa niya para maalis iyon. Noong kita ay lisanin noong 1980, ay sa picture na lang kita nakikita. Talaga namang gandang-ganda ako o cute na cute ako sa mga picture mo. Para kang isang Carmina Villaruel ang dating mo noon. Ang beauty mo noon ay parang si Carmina Villaruel. Kaya sabi ko ay, si Mapit pala ay napakagandang bata. Pero, pag ikaw naman ay iibig, huwag ka namang iibig ng katulad ni Baby Gandang Hari. Hahanap-hanap ng tunay na lalaki. Pero ngayong narinig ka na sa state, ikaw naman ang aking inaabala. Lagi kitang tinetext. Kailangan ko magtanong sa iyo. Ikaw ang aking personal physical therapist. Gusto kong magtanong lagi sa iyo kung ano ang mga kumonsulta ng mga nangyayari sa aking mga kasukasuan. Ay lahat na lang ay masakit garin yata pag natanda na. Pero anyway, ikaw ang naging aking physical therapist. Sinasabi mo sa akin ang aking dapat gawin, kung anong aking dapat bilhin, at makinig sa iyo. Ino nga ang aking ginagawa kung ngayon nakikinig na nga lang sa iyo. Kaya, noong sabihin mag short message, ako hindi nagdalawang isip na gumawa na itong video ito dahil ito naman ay talagang nararapat na sa iyong 50 years ay marinig mo ang mga pinagdaanan mo ng panahong iyon. Pero ari naman susunod na pahina, medyo babasahin ko na at English ang dating So, happy 50th wedding. Oops, hindi nga pala wedding. Ito nga pala yung birthday mo. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all your heart desired on this very special day. And knowing Kuya Odoy and Ate Daa are proud and watching over you from heaven, that they see you, your achievement, strength, and the person you have become. I love you, Muppet. Always at Edna. Bye-bye.
Hi, Muppet! Happy birthday! More birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your day. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. Son.
Hi, Tita Muppet. I just want to wish you a happy golden birthday. Thank you for being such a great tita to me and ate. I really appreciate all the guidance and support, especially the advices you've given me through the years. And wala man ako dyan on your special day, just know that I am here whenever you need me. I really do hope all your wishes come true. I love you and I miss you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Muppet! We wish you a wonderful birthday year full of continued health, happiness, and adventures. Your parents would be so proud of the woman you have become. God-fearing with a beautiful heart and strong values. Cheers to 50 years. Happy birthday, Muppet!
Advance happy birthday, Kumaring Muppet! Happy birthday, Muppet! Sana makatagpo ka ng rice na. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Muppet!
Heaven knows I've done no wrong. I only want to sing this song to you. Why did it have to end this way? Only a fool like me could say to you that if I ever had the line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. And if I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there tonight. Now where would I be?
Good morning, happy birthday, and wish you everything in your life. God bless you every day, and I love and care for you since then.
Hey,
Take care.
Muppet! Happy 50th birthday! I wish you the best of everything, good luck, good health, and a successful career.
Yes,
Thank you very much for inviting us on your birthday, and I wish you
the best.
the best of everything.
Happy birthday again.
Muppet, happy birthday. Stay as sweet as you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Muppet! Wishing you good health. Uwi muna ikaw at pagpapasit ka daw ng Ate Itik. Miss ka na namin, lalong-lalo na ni Saleng. Enjoy the celebration. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Happy Muppet.
Happy
Happy birthday po.
Hey Muppet, happy 50th birthday. We wish you all the best and thank you for inviting us. Surprise!
Surprise, Muppet. Happy 50th birthday. We wish you nothing but good health, good wealth. We really hope you were surprised and we hope you have a great time today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Greetings from the Philippines. A blessed and grace-filled birthday, dearest Muppet. One of the things that we cannot control is time. And here you are entering your golden year. Life's journey is always a mixture of joys and pains, successes and failures. And in all of these, choices have been made. I believe your choices have made you to become a better person, the woman God wants you to be, leading according to His all-wise and loving plans. Along the way, there could have been mistakes, but you were able to learn from them, and also made you a wiser person. Your faith in God, devotion to Mama Mary and the saints, your love for your family and friends, Your devotion, dedication to your work are good factors that also made who you are now. I hope and pray as always that the remaining years of your life be spent meaningfully, making use of the opportunities to grow in love and freedom, and drawing you closer to our God, the giver of all good gifts. Again, a blessed and grace-filled birthday with love and prayers. Your Mina Cynthia.
And I don't know how I knew it, but I knew it somehow. You're the answer to the question no one's answered till now. And I don't know what you see in me. Girl, there's nothing to what I see in you. Stars that glisten, lips for kissing, honey, listen.
Birthday, Mapit! Wish you all the best! Mabuhay ka! Ano gusto mo? Yes! Birthday! Birthday! Happy birthday, Insan!
Hi Mapet, happy 50th birthday. Sana maging malusog ka at magkaroon pa ng maraming kaarawan. At sana ay matakpuan mo ang iyong kaligayahan. Happy birthday, Mapet.
Hi Mapet, he's wishing you a happy 50th birthday. May you always stay happy, healthy and safe always. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy your day. Love you.
God bless, Mapet.
God bless you.
2, 3. Happy 50th birthday! Ingat ka dyan. Miss you. See you soon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Mapet! Wishing you all the best in life. And may God continue to bless the good desires of your heart. And yeah, thank you for everything. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Mapet. Sorry we couldn't make it.
We love you.
As a global greeting for Maria Fatima Mayor, it's your 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Mapet!
I'll be there for you till the earth stops turning, playing in your heart like love songs do. I'll be there for you like a candle burning. Just believe it's true. I'll be there for you. When you're troubled, I'll be there. When you're sad, I will be there. Laughing, I'll be there. Just think of me and I'll be there. I'll be there 'cause you're my star. I'll be anywhere you are. When you hurt, I feel it too. And if you leave, I'll go with you. I'll be there for you. Baby, count on me. I'll be there for you. There for you. I'll be there for you. Till the earth stops turning, playing in your heart like love songs do.
Happy birthday, Mapet! Happy birthday! We're expecting 4. Ha? Matakaw! Happy birthday!
Mapet, happy 50th birthday! Stay always as you are. Ng batang napakabait at laging napakamusayahin. At more birthdays to come.
Mapet, happy 50th! Meron ka na kang jowa, ha? Happy birthday! Nako, bigyan ng mahabang buhay, lakas ng katawan, at magandang kinabukasan.
Birthday, Mapet! Bigyan mo ulit ako ng pagkain. Birthday, Mapet! Thanks sa pagkain. Thank you. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday to the kindest and the most generous person I know. Sana marami ka pang blessing na ma-receive dahil deserve mo yan dahil mabuti kang tao. Ang wish ko sa iyo, good health, long life, and happiness. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninang Mapet. We love you.
Mapet, happy birthday to you. Have a long life. Thank you. Happy birthday mo sa akin.
Huwag kang matakot, di mo ba alam nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi, di kita pababayaan kailanman. At kung ikaw ay mahulog sa bangin, ay sasaluhin kita. Huwag ka matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag ka matakot na umibig at lumuha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag ka Huwag kang matakot, dahil ang buhay mo'y walang katapusan. Makapangyarihan ang pag-ibig na hawak mo sa iyong kamay. Ikaw ang Diyos at Hari ng iyong mundo. Matakot sila sa'yo. Huwag ka matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag ka matakot na umibig at lumuha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag ka
Ano ka yun?
Sabi mo ano?
Sabi mo na kung game na.
Game na. Action!
Hi, Parting Muppet. I'm here, Paul Alpi. I appreciate you. Anong tumawa? Tatawa ka lang. Ano ka, Ari? Hi, hello.
Appreciate the 4, sabi mo.
I appreciate the 4. Me and Divino are always drinking. If you come here, we drink. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mapet. Wish you good health and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Mapet! Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings. We love you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kiran! Happy birthday, Mapet! God bless you!
Tayo ay magsaya, tayo ay magdiwang, pagkat sumatik na kanyang kaarawan. Maria Fatima, ang iyong pangalan, ngayon'y 50 na aking kaibigan. Maamo ang mukha at parang manlika, at sobra ang ganda nitong si Fatima. Makulit, maboka, minsan ay chismosa, pala kaibigan, masayang kasama. Itong iyong abang lingkod na si Jordan ang pangalan, na sa iyo'y bumabati sa 50 taong mong kaarawan. Pinakamahalagang sandali, ngayon ika'y nagdiriwan, sorpresa kong tulay nilaan sa matali kong kaibigan. Ang araw na ito, tiyak sigurado, lahat magsasaya sa kaarawan mo. Lubos na ligaya, ang madarama mo, ang Ludengan USA, nagpupugay sa'yo. Lahat ng kaibigan sa barangay Luzon, sa iyong kaarawan, lahat magbubugloy. Kaibigang Fatima ay kalugod-lugod, sa iyo'y bumabati, iyong abang lingkod. Ang wish ko sa iyo, kaibigang Mapit, marami pang birthday ang sa'yo'y sumapit, at maraming lalaki ang sa'yo'y lumapit, ang pag-aasaway iyong makakamit. Itong inyong lingkod na isang makata, kay hirap mag-isip ng mahabang tula. Sana ay mabigyan munting gantimpala para siya'y mawiling gumawa ng tula. Buong luday ng USA, atin siyang papulihan. Atin siyang babatiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Atin siyang aalayan. Atin siyang mahandugan. Isang malakas na sigawan at masigabong palakpakan. Happy birthday, Mapet!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Insan! Ang memory ko kay Insan ay nung kami nasa silukan, napaka-dasali na Insan. Happy birthday, Insan! Ang memory ko naman ay nung college na ako sa sulukan. Ay, pagkakagising ni Leia, katabi na ng walis. Pwede na rin mawala. Ang linis, sa kwarto na. Enjoy your day, Mapet!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mapet! Enjoy your day. And
We wish you all the best. Good health.
courtesy of
Hannah Catherine.
Hannah Catherine!
You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I have found. I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more?
Just wishing you all the best and happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ulit.
Showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more?
Kaka, happy birthday. We hope you enjoy the surprise birthday party for you. And here's another one. enjoyed my piano performance. Happy birthday from me, my mom and dad, Lola, Daa, Lolo, Doy, and have a safe trip to Korea. We love you.